Hello and welcome to Kickback Garage. Today is the second of a two-part series where I attempt at making a Lambretta engine stand. That's the one. So if you want to see if I'm successful at making one, or if you want to see a grown man cry, grab yourself a cup of coffee and I'll see you after the intro.
Messing around with these cameras, batteries going flat.
Alle sprang I lag og ville komme under tak. Ingen av oss merket at du hadde falt ifra. Hvorfor valgte du å dra? Hvem I faen kunne se den komme? Da høsten tok over sa vi hadde brattet av sommer.
I'm really happy with that one. Don't know what it is, it's a clutch compressor, but the first time I used it, the thread stripped. This is my attempt at the engine stand. Now, as you can see, my bench is now tidy. Nothing on there. So the beauty of this, I reckon, is that I can work on the engine, I can have my parts, and I can have my tools on the desk here, and brilliant. I'm just so chuffed to bits. I should have made this years ago. So what I've done is I'll bring you up closer and I'll show you how I move it. But this is the cylinder building angle, and I just screw out this screw here, and I can screw it in again. It's I'm just so chuffed. Right, let's have a look. And that screws in there. There we go. I could have made like a quick release sort of system or something, but this is the cool thing about this is the fact that it's really, really sturdy. It's rock solid. Oh wow, I'm speechless. So what I did is the clutch tool that you saw, put it from this angle because the welds look better. The clutch tool that I had, this was the actuating part, or the part that you screw down to compress the clutch. So I cut it in 3, and I used the screwy bit on the top here, and these 2 arms here where I can screw in at other angles. This is actually the other 2 sides of the clutch tool, and I was really, really lucky in the fact that there was a recess in them, so I didn't have to. I just cut them and squeezed them on and put a little nest of weld there. And as you can see, I didn't go for the bearing. It was a bit of a. I really, really wanted to use the bearings on them, but it's just really, found out at the end, it's just really not necessary. So what I did, you saw in the video there, I actually machined 4 bushes. So I've got aluminium bushes on each side, and you can see, don't know if you can see that one on the back there, a little bush there. And what that means is that I'll put you back down again so you can have a look, so you don't get that damn wobbly car. What that means is I can just unscrew this, and I've done it so that I've got 4 points, which are the 4 most used angles. So I can have it here, I can set it there. I don't know what you'd use that for, to tell you the truth, but yeah, maybe. And I can even turn it 90 degrees round and then tighten it up again. So that gives me full range. I'm really pleased that I used the arm of that office table, because it's just so sturdy. I just drilled 2 holes and bolted them down there, and yeah. So what do you think? So it sits really, really sturdy, and I basically just used, this is the only thing I've bought during the whole build, and that was a big bolt, so that I can fasten it to the there we go, like that. So it's dead easy. It's toolless job putting it in. And I've got this one. Now this is a little shim. I think actually I really want to weld a bit of round bar on there, but I haven't got any. So if something turns up one day, I'll pop that on there, and that's it. It's just lifting away. So what do you think? Write a message in the comments. Tell me what you think about it and how I did. And if you want to continue seeing videos like this, then subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra, folks. Fuck!